friends, welcome to Answer. So today it is the 49th episode in the science series. So today we are going to discuss about the element, guess it, carbon. So in science, so today it is chemistry. So chemistry, we are discussing about the elements. So today it is carbon. So it is the sixth element. So carbon is a chemical element with the symbol of C and its atomic number is the number 6. Yes, so 6. So it is a non-metallic and tetravalent. That means its atoms make 4 electrons available to form covalent chemical bonds. So many videos ago I made a video about covalent bonds and all the other types of bonds. So you need, I think to understand it you need to check that. Yes. So carbon makes up about 0.025% of the Earth's crust. So in percentages it is a small percentage, but when we actually mine it, it is very large amount. Yes. So 3 isotopes of carbon actually occur naturally. So isotopes in chemistry are like so there's a normal atom. So it has, like, for example, so carbon has 6 neutrons and 6 protons. So if the level of neutrons is higher or lower, it will turn into an isotopes. Yes, while the protons will always stay the same. Yes. So the normal isotope is C12, which is the normal carbon we see and hear every day. Yes. And also C13 is just with 1 extra neutron. These two are pretty stable, while the other natural one, which is C14, is very radioactive. Yes, not very, but still it is radionuclide. Yes. So it has a half-life of 5,730 years. It takes that much time for it to decay. Yes, that is a lot of time. So next, allotropes are like some of the larger molecular structures or just molecules that this carbon could make. So these include graphite, which, guess it, it is used on the lids of our pencils. Yes, so that's why we can write. Next, the diamonds on some people's necklaces. Next, fullerite. Next, amorphous carbon. And Buckminster fullerene, which is a very expensive compound because it is used to store other atoms inside of it. So it is like a ball of carbon atoms which align like in a grid. Yes. So yeah. And also again there's still many other carbon allotropes left. So it belongs to group 14 and period 2, and it even has its own group called the carbon group. Yes. So it was discovered by Egyptians and Sumerians in approximately 5,000 years ago. That means at BC 3,750. Yes, 3,750 BC. That is a very long time ago. Very, very long time ago. Yes, it is the 15th most abundant element in the Earth's crust and the 4th most abundant element in the universe by mass. Yes, so carbon is used in many things in our daily life. Yes, so that means it is also abundant in many places. Yes, so it is unique as it can form bonds with itself and produce millions of compounds. So here we already saw some of the compounds which carbon can make. So these are all some of the compounds that it can make with only itself, no other element. But if we include the other elements too, there are millions, billions of them. Yes. So it would be overflowing. Yes. So it is also present in amino acids, fats, oils and DNA and etc. So these things are needed in our body. That means without carbon we can't even exist. Yes. So carbon is that much important to us. So from fossil fuels to diamonds, plastics and all living organisms, carbon is literally everywhere, even in the books you read. Yes. So, and finally the applications of carbon. So as I said before, Carbon makes up graphite. That means it is used in pencil leads. Next, it is the main maker of diamonds. Next, it makes glass like high heat resistant carbons. It is like some very hot, very heat resistant transparent plastic. So like that. So next, it is inside fossil fuels. Good, but again bad. Yes, carbon fuels are pretty bad. And then it is used to make plastic and also pretty powerful plastics which are strong. Yes. Next, they are used in carbon dating, which is like the process where we find out how old some things are by finding out the isotopes of the carbon. Yes. And next, it is used in carbon fibers. So there are small fibers called carbon nanothreads. So even if width is like in the nanometers, they are very stronger than like steel itself. Yes. So with steel we can't make a space elevator, but with this we can make. Yes. So that are carbon fibers as well as the uses of carbon. And there are still many other important uses of carbon in our daily life. So this is for today about carbon. Bye.